All right, my next guest right here, the one and only Zach Gowen. Zach, all the legends are here. You're a legend yourself. You know that, right?
Well, all the legends are here, and so am I. So it's nice. So it's nice to be here with you guys.
I heard you're wrestling tonight. Is that true?
I'm wrestling tonight in Natick, Massachusetts. I believe it's how you pronounce it. It's
Natick.
Natick. I thought it was Natick, and I heard.
It's that Boston accent. You got to get it before you leave.
How do you say? Worcester?
Worcester.
Worcester?
Worcester.
That's funny. It's always a treat to be in New England, man. It's beautiful country. The fans are awesome, and I don't get to wrestle as often as I'd like to be, or as much as I would like to in New England. So I always jump at the opportunity to wrestle out here for you guys. It's surely an honor to be here.
See, a lot of folks might not know Zach has one leg. He's a one-legged pro wrestler that goes and has incredible matches on one leg. No one has been able to do this probably since Kerry Von Erich. Now, Kerry had a prosthetic as well, remember that? Nobody knew that for years. What do you think about the Von Erichs? That's out of left field, right? That's out of left field.
I love it.
Out of left field.
Only at the convention, man. Oh, I was a huge fan of the Von. Are you kidding me? They're the absolute legends, man. And what was such a compelling television with the Freebirds and the Von Erichs, to go back and watch that was just like that. It felt like the golden age of professional wrestling. That to me felt like that's what professional wrestling is that feud right there. Like that's the summit, man. That's the peak. It ain't gonna get better than that. But as far, Kerry obviously had one foot, and he hid that for a long time. He hid that very well. But I'm the only one in the world who does what I do. I lost my leg to cancer when I was 8 years old. And what got me through that hardship and that pain was my love of professional wrestling. And so when I was 18 years old, I had the opportunity to train to become a professional wrestler. And I've been, I jumped at it, I hopped at it, pun intended. And I've been going strong for 12 years now, man. It feels great to be here.
That is so awesome. It's such an inspiring story, and thank you so much for sharing with us. What was it like WWE with Vince McMahon? I think you beat McMahon with one leg, didn't you? Or with Mr. America, Hulk Hogan? How was that experience like?
Well, it was surreal, man, because these are, I was signed to WWE literally 9 months after I had my first match. So to go from being just the biggest WWE fan in the world to traveling with Hulk Hogan and being on TV with Roddy Piper and Vince McMahon, it was completely surreal and overwhelming. At the end of the day, I'm so happy I had the opportunity to do that. And it was absolutely a dream come true to work for that company. And that company, and most people don't know, but that company has continued to work with me and provide me with the necessary tools since leaving that company under no obligation on their end. So Vince McMahon has done for me words can't really even describe, and people don't know about it, but I love WWE and I love that company very much.
Wow, that is so awesome. I want to thank you so much for your timing, joining us. What a great story here, folks. Keep watching the one and only Zach Gowen.